Being the education consultant, our today's topic is school admission policy and grading or promotion policy. But in the beginning, I share a story of a Japanese woman whose life was saved by intelligent and brilliant strategy. She visited Shinkansen, the famous Japanese bullet train that traveled at the speed of 200 miles per hour. Her son stepped onto the train, and when the doors of the train were closing, she was left outside on the platform and her arm stuck in the doors of the train and she was in pain. It was then when an employee of the train who performed check safety and security by pointing and calling up and down the platform. He noticed the situation and condition of the woman, and immediately within seconds he managed to stop the train from leaving. The train doors were open, and now she felt relieved and comfortable and ran to her son. 1 minute later, the train departed safely. We can learn from this story that, like that employee, when a child is entered and get admission in a school, every employee or every person in the school must be vigilant and responsible to see and notice all activities of the student for his safety, security, and for growth. Every well-known, well-reputed schools have admission policies that are transparent, fair, and standardized. Now I share some key features, key points of admission policy and how they are practiced. Number one, age requirement. Children must meet minimum age requirement for preschool or KG, and they must provide certified birth certificate. Number two, application form and timeline. Specific date for application form submission is mentioned by the schools and it must be followed. Number three, document required. Proof of prior school record, photos, health record, and identification is required here. Number four, entrance test. Schools may conduct entrance test of some important subjects like maths and English and have an interview before the administration. Number five, capacity and seat reservations. How many students get admission in a class and some seats reserved for siblings and special quota for some special people. Number six, admission fee. Schools may charge admission fee, non-refundable charges. Number seven, merit list or waiting list. If more applications are received than the seat reserved, then the school may show scores criteria and publish merit list or waiting list. Now I tell you some common features of components of grading or promotion policy. Number one, passing marks or minimum grades. Students must obtain at least 40 or 50% of the total of the exam. Number two, attendance required. Students must attend a minimum of 70% of total attendance. Number three, failures or number of failed subjects. If a student does not meet the passing criteria, he will be given another chance, and if fail in one or two subjects, he is allowed to move ahead but make up later in second exams. Number four, supplementary or remedial assessments. Schools may allow retakes or remedial works, remedial classes, remedial exams for the struggler students. Number five, special cases. In younger grades, the criteria may be lenient in case of child if one subject is crucial. Now I think it's appropriate to respond to a query that I received. It states that what's the grading or promotion criteria of higher classes? It's easy question. The students scoring 95% or more than 95% marks of the total marks, they are thought to be scoring A plus, A star grade. The students scoring 85% or more than 85%, they are thought scoring A grade. The students scoring 75 or more than 75% marks, they are in the list of B grade, and then C, D grade, and the final last grade is U grade, means ungraded. This is the criteria for higher classes and high classes. Although in younger grades, overall performance is kept into mind, their attendance, their behavior and attitude in the class, their classwork attitude, their homework attitude, overall performance is kept in mind, then they are promoted. In the end, I am thankful to you for showing interest to the topic. Thank you again.